Let's open the TikTok app. So the only time you'll be asked to set your age on TikTok is when you're setting up your account, when you're setting up your account in the beginning. So after that, if you, let's say, you go to your profile and then on settings, there is absolutely nowhere where you have the option to change your age. So you can only set your age in the beginning. So the only way right now currently is to send a report or report a problem to TikTok that you want to change your age. That's the only way right now. You cannot, there's no way in the settings where you can change your age. So for that, you go to settings and privacy, you scroll and go to support and click on report a problem. And then you click on account and profile. And then you click on editing profile. And you'll click on other because there's no heading where you're able to change your age. So you click on need more help here. And here you will enter I need to update my birth date on my account as the current one is incorrect. I can provide you proof if the need arises. And once you enter that, you will send the report and then TikTok will reach back to you through the email that's linked with your account. And they might ask you to provide a verification like your identity card to verify your age. And after they do that, you'll be able to change your age. So this is the only way right now, guys. This is the only way to change your age on TikTok right now.